with the struggle, among whom Ike Apugo, Ike Gandhi, Professor and the chairman of the President General of Alibo, God continue now in Jesus' name. Because all that World Igbo Congress now was all has been arranged, okay? And that's what I'm going. They are in a convention, UN convention, which is holding in Nashville, Tennessee. It's coming up towards the end of August, the 30th of August to the 2nd of September in USA. You can pick up their contact address from me in case you want to go. Because I ain't talking about getting involved in this struggle. And this is a good witness endorsed an endorsement of reaffirmation of the opposition. The World Igbo Congress wishes to congratulate Alibo Development Foundation for its unrelenting efforts to keep critical Igbo issues in the front burner at all times. Your consultative meeting scheduled for today, Saturday, July 28, 2018, in Enugu is an eloquent testimony of that fact. World Igbo Congress shares the vision of ADF and that of well-meaning Igbo as we strive to protect, preserve, and enhance our corporate existence. We have noted that the event is a favorable activity encapsulating the presentation of the book, The Nigerian January 15, 1996 book, and Biafra, Needs and Realities, as well as the two prime issues of reaffirmation of Igbo position and homeland security. We are pleased that the book is a bold step towards removing the yoke placed on the Igbo, a deliberate attempt to tackle us for systematic decimation. We have no doubt that it will go a long way in helping to shore up our morale and self-worth as we move against all obstacles to Igbo emancipation. We also see the opportunity to endorse the reaffirmation of the declaration of Igbo position, which is a crystallization of the key issues in the Green Book, as well as address some of the outcome of the equivalent declaration of June 21, 2018. World Igbo Congress is committed to the emancipation of Igbo and will continue to provide a external perspective to our collective efforts. We will explore all opportunities presented by our mutual commitment to ensure that Igbo freedom from the shackles of injustice are removed. Be assured of our support. Once again, congratulations. Long live ADF, long live Igbo Congress, World Igbo Congress, and long live Igbo Nation. Sincerely, Professor Anthony Ejiofor, Chairman, World Igbo Congress. Aka Biafra. Kona afugano. Na eti mwa na atoto kuwe de dare. Aka ni mo se bia. Before ndị ọha na-eze ka ha dakwa anyị okwu maka ihe a eji m ohere a na-anabata ha Excellency Ambassador Uche Ajuru Okeke. Excellency ekele
Archbishop Emeritus Mark Anikwemwa, former Dean, Church of Nigeria. North. Africa, also Emeka Umabas. All the police